Apply your knowledge of dovetail joint making and basic hand tool use in the simple but elegant through dovetail box design using the highest quality materials. The course is the first application of a fundamental skill learned in our dovetail joint making course. This box is ideal as a jewelry or pencil box in a quality higher than anything you'd find commercially available. You'll be encouraged to work at your own pace and be guided through each step of the process and taught the correct technique for using hand tools, including the use of a smoothing plane and dovetail saw. We provide a safe, friendly, supportive and encouraging environment in our air-conditioned studio at Burleigh Heads. You'll be provided with a kit of pre-machined wooden parts with a choice of woods currently available. These include queen ebony, she oak, silky oak and more. A complete step-by-step 5-hour video course of the entire process is available at a discounted rate for students attending our sessions. This video and kit of the project is also available for those wanting to work from home. Feel free to get in touch about this or any other of our woodwork, sculpture or jewelry classes. We look forward to hearing from you.